Hi guys, a quick video for today. Today I have an unboxing of a new watch I bought. My first watch purchase for 2022. It is a Seiko and it is the SPRE69. So I just received the package today from Amazon and it came in a nice little black box here, which we are gonna open now. So inside the black box we have the watch here in a separate bluish silver box here. Very generic Seiko box, and this is the warranty card, I believe. Let's go ahead and open this. Yeah, so just a very generic Seiko box here, and of course here's the watch. So the SPRE69 is the all black version of the new Seiko 5 series in 40mm. And this one is the black on black with a NATO strap as well. And here we go. Okay, so I went ahead and put the watch on my wrist here, and I have a 6-inch wrist, and this is what it looks like. So the watch is 40mm in diameter, and the lug to lug is around 44mm. And the lug width is 20mm. So overall, it doesn't look too bad on my smaller wrist here, which is why I went for this watch over the 5KX dive watches. I'm not going to go in full details here for all the specs, as there's other reviews on YouTube. But I'd like to point out I did get very lucky with my watch here, and I have the made in Japan version. One last thing I'll do is I'll take the NATO strap off so you guys can take a look at the watch case at the back here. This is what the watch looks like from the back. Also says made in Japan. I'm just gonna let the camera focus a bit. There we go. There we go. The finishing is actually not bad at all. We have a brush finishing here on the top, and on the sides we have a polish finishing. These are of course drilled lug holes, so it will make changing the straps very easy. And that is the SPRE69.